You don't have to use GitHub Copilot and learn about this free alternative AI tool of GitHub Copilot by installing Cody A, which is a VS Code AI extension, and running it with Ollama Llama 2 model, which is a LLM model. We can auto-generate codes. You can also edit your code. It can also provide the explanation of your entire code step by step. I have explained the entire process of how to set up this AI tool in your VS Code by connecting with Ollama Llama 2 model. Just watch this video carefully and you will understand everything. I promise you that. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let's get started. So let me open my VS Code, and after that you'll be seeing this icon Cody, and this one is the GitHub Copilot icon. It is almost identical to GitHub Copilot. Chat box will be looking like this, just like ChatGPT. If I need some explanation of about this part, I will be just going over here and will be just explain this thing, and it will give the information about this particular area what I actually have done, and if any corrections required you can ask about that. So what you need to do is just to go in this extension, and here you need to install two extensions, which are Cody, this Cody AI. You need to install this one, and after that you need to install Llama Coder. Install this one, as good as Copilot, as you can see over here. Llama Coder fast, works under GPU. So if you have a pretty decent amount of laptop, and it will be fine. You will not be seeing this immediately. So let's start with Llama Coder. So what you need to do is just to go in your setting, and you'll be finding Llama Coder. Inside this Llama Coder, you'll be finding this interface model. Now there are many models like 3 billion code, 7 billion code, 7 billion code, 7 billion for Q6. Then and it have got extended over the period of time. I have just chosen this 3 billion code. However, you can choose it further if you have really good RTX, like very powerful PC, and here you need to do this setting. However, you can go for Codegemma, and I have also explained about Codegemma in my Ollama video. Just go and check it out. Link will be in the description. Codegemma is actually a code generating LLM model. However, I have clicked on stable code, and that's all you need to do for Llama Coder setting. And after that, the thing comes is Cody AI. So for Cody AI, what you need to do is there will be three options: sign in with GitHub, sign in with Google. I have signed in with my GitHub account, just like normal sign in, and you will be redirected to this VS Code as well. You don't have to worry. But before that, before doing this setup, you need to just go to ollama.com. Ollama, and you'll be coming to this Ollama website. As you can see over here, Ollama basically run the LLM models, which are the language models. As you can see over here, these are work specific, like whatever work that you need to perform, based upon that it will run. All you need to do is just to download this, depending upon your operating system. Download the file, and after installing it, it's just like a normal installation process. After installing it, open your PowerShell window or your terminal, and after that here you'll be typing over Ollama run Llama 2, and then your PowerShell will download the entire Llama 2 file. After downloading the Llama 2 file, there will be a chat box opening. So in my case, I have already downloaded. You will be seeing this direct language model message over here. Is just like ChatGPT, as ditto as ChatGPT. So it runs locally on your PC. Its speed depends upon your how powerful your PC is. So after doing this Ollama setup, you can run it inside your terminal. I'll be typing over here Ollama run Llama 2. As you can see, I ran it inside of my own terminal. As you can see, Ollama came over here, and after that you will be seeing this entire icon. Here the first one is all about new chatting. This is as ditto as ChatGPT. As you can see over here, this runs on many servers. I'm running it on Claude AI. However, you can learn on other servers like ChatGPT 3, GPT 4, or the other. As you can see over here, Claude 3 Sonnet. Previously it was free, however now it had gone for paid versions as well. So this one is actually free. As you can see, it can be better than GitHub Copilot. Okay, so I'll be considering a very basic C program as an example in order to check out if this setup works as a very good alternative for GitHub Copilot. Let's say whether a number is even or odd. I have to C program to find out if a number is odd or even. Let's check it out. So as you can see, this little bulb icon, it is actually analyzing the code, and depending upon the action that I have entered, it will generate the entire code. As you can see over here, it have actually suggested the code, and all you need to do is just to click on the tab on your computer's keyboard. Just click on it and it will get auto-filled. Now let's check it out if it actually works or not. Well, it actually is the accurate thing. Now let's run it. I'll be entering 10. Yes, 10 is even. Let's say 11. 11 is odd. Okay, so it is running completely fine. So it did have provided the code generation. However, you can just check it out. There may be some errors. It is not 100% accurate. Even any of the chatbot, it will not provide the 100% accurate thing. So I hope you like this video. If you love this video, then make sure to like and subscribe. Please comment down below if you like this AI tool, and hit that bell icon for getting more and more important video updates. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye.